Foolishness is the father of failure. Sino gusto magtagalog ng foolishness? Kahangalan. Yung medyo mababaw. Kabalbalan. Kalokohan. Pwede bang katangahan? Pwede. Ang tao nag-iisip ng failure siya, minsan mararamdaman mo yun. Tao naman tayo, di ba? Pero ang taong failure, yung nadapa, ayaw tumayo. Yun, failure yun. Hindi porkit nadapa ka, hindi ka pwedeng bumangon. Ano yan? Foolishness. Hindi porkit nadapa ka, hindi ka babangon. Hindi porkit nagkamali ka, hindi mo itutuwid. The ant is diligent because it is wise. Number 2, the ant is disciplined because it is prudent. The ant has a strong work ethic because it has a wise mindset. Unity, discipline, and hard work. Our mindset determines our financial approach. How we think determines how we handle money, determines how we work. So, pag-aralan talaga natin, learn from His ways, learn from their ways. Pag-aralan mo langgam.